So, in C++, operators are used for manipulating data. C++ comes with many of the operators you will find on your home calculator, such as an addition operator, a multiplication operator, and so on. Let me first show you the assignment operator. The assignment operator must take a variable on the left and a value on the right. This assigns the value on the right, in this case 50, to the variable on the left that's named x. So the variable x will hold the value 50. You can add two values, in this case 30 plus 20, by using the addition operator. You can subtract two values, in this case 20 minus 10, by using the subtraction operator. You can multiply two values, in this case 30 multiplied by 5, by using the multiplication operator, which is an asterisk in C++. You can divide two values, such as 10 divided by 2, by using the division operator, which is a / in C++. You can get the remainder of division of two values by using a percentage operator, which says divide the left with the right and get the remainder. After this operation, only the remainder of the division is returned and not the actual result of the division. There are far more C++ operators than discussed here. This tutorial was to teach you about basic operators in C++, and more complicated operators will be discussed in future lectures.